There it is. It's one of the rollers. Awesome.
See? Right? I am so sorry, darling. I am